Hello everyone, welcome back to this new tutorial. So in this video I am going to show you how you can add a different corner on the one side of the button and a different corner on the right side of the button. So this is going to be in a mix, and what we are going to do is it's like a this is a button, and if you want its design to be a different and like a different from what you see on the internet, and this kind of button is not common. So what we'll do is we'll just put the corners in one side, whether it will be on the right or left. But as you can see currently its corners are sharp, so no circles are there, not even a single percent. So what we'll do is on one of the side we are going to add a rounded effect. So to start with, just click on the button and click on design, then click on customize design, then click on corners, and then click on unlock. So after that we are doing it on the right side. So currently its calculation it's in pixel, so it will set it according to pixels. So we'll set it to 5 pixel, and also this one 5 pixel. So as you can see, this is how it is looking. So what we can do is I will show you how to make it look better. Just add a box here, something like this, and try to match it with its height and width. Most importantly height, then width you can decrease it. Same thing here, but what you will do is for this shape you will not do that pixels or the changes on the right side. You will do it on the left side. So now we'll change the color to blue. This is how it is looking. But here what we're going to do is we are going to add an icon. Something like this will make it more smaller. You have to attach it to the box. Then you can change the color. Now I'm doing it white. This is how it is looking. But what I will suggest it is you will should do this like this, and then set it opposite. We'll give the 5% corner to the left side of it. And here we will put it to the right side. You can do it like I did previously, because now I want it right here. I am doing it here, but if you want like how it was earlier, like we moved this from left to right, but it was here, like, so you can do like that as well. But I am doing it in this way. You can prefer whatever you want. Just need to unlink this. Let me just hit yes, yeah, and then this is how it is looking. But in next video I'm going to show you how you can give it an animation which will look good. And currently I'm just making it a bit small. Yeah, perfect. I hope you liked it. Please try it on your own if you're trying to build something on your own, or if you have any website, you can try this. You want a button like this. So thanks for watching.